sing in Italian? You see, it's not very easy. Mi vergogno. Gioia nel mio cuore. Is that correct? And then the guys told me that you don't have to use so much energy that you use on your Shona and in your English, brother. When you sing in Italian, you gotta sing it cool. And then they said, brother, but you say Italian, man, you got to do something else, brother. They say, when you sing this part, you do this. Gioia nel mio cuore. Gioia nel mio cuore. Gioia la 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 nel mio cuore. But you know what? I love pasta. I love pizza. Non farò. Oh, oh.